We want to take this opportunity to appreciate each and everybody in the building.
Oh yes.
It's nice to be here. We're going to be putting with energy. And I want to hear a song. England, I will not show you.
I don't my daddy's you are.
One more time, you understand? Remember, the bar is open. Special request, a very special request, you understand? One more time, you understand? We are appreciating the request. One more time, you understand now? Solomon Jack Praiser. Big up each and every Zimbabwean woman in the building. If you're Zimbabwean, we appreciate you right about now. Morima elders.
Yes.
If you're African in the building, bring yourself.
Are you having a good time? I hope you all enjoyed the evening. I'd like to apologize again for the heat. I think this country, as you know, most buildings are built for the winter more than the summer. So today, unfortunately, is one of those days where their air conditioning was not working, but they did try their best to give us ACs, but the heat was just heating. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for coming for this event. My name is Rina. I think all of you saw my name when you were depositing your money. On behalf of the organizing team, I don't know where Sisi Gabu is, the Marilander is. I just want to say thank you guys for being a good team to work with, and SIS MELLY and Koma Godon. We just put this together shortly, and I hope we have delivered.
Anna, tell you if I push him. You are a whole vibe.
Those who want to
You are a whole vibe. She's a whole vibe. She's a whole vibe. You are my kind of girl, Shem. No, don't worry. I will personally do that. You are my kind of person.
Nobody does those big things. But today he came to honor his aunt, and thank you for accepting. Sisi Gabu, who cooked our food, the decor. Sisi Gabu is a caterer, she's a decorator. So if you want to get her number for next time, we want to thank you, Sisi Gabu, for working so hard. Thank you, my diaries, for accepting this invitation. This party would not have gone on without your support. I stand at honestly, we have had a good time. You will see us starting to clear up because the time we attack up you. But those who are going home, drive safely. Those who are staying, which room are we at?
We go to the bar, to the lounge.
For the next few minutes, and drive safely, and may God bless you for the rest of the year.
Till we meet again next year in the ship, in the cruise ship.
For those who want to be known as a diary, today register no Karana Koma Godon. Not only by Sirayo and Chidabato Koma Godon, but it's my details. We want to appreciate you and thank you so much. Okay, so the rules are for next next year, let's start planning now. Some people have said they want to go on a cruise. Some people have said they want to fly to America.
I want cruise 7 days, 3 more, 7 days, 3 more. Who are the cruises?
And she could be on time. Please.
What is that? 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days, 3 my dad is church.
But enjoy yourselves and get there target for DJ
Thank you very much, everybody.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We know where to get you. Guys, next year, Kushipu. 7 days, 3 more. Tichifara tipa mwechete tiri momu shipi momo. Momo mutera 7 days kubasa. Takainda. This kumira. Mire. Dance. Price of proposal open up.
Oh.
As long as the sugar 7 days at the book. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Allowing us to abuse you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll give this to my sister. Oh, my sister Mati. I'm giving this to you. Yeah, they are yours. See you tomorrow. Any guys that guys, sorry. Sorry guys.